Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Uconnect system. Keeping your Uconnect software current is essential for maintaining peak performance and accessing the latest features in your vehicle. This process is quite simple and can be completed at home using a USB drive. We will walk through each step, from checking for updates online to installing them in your Dodge Journey, ensuring a smooth experience. First, you will need your vehicle's 17-digit vehicle identification number, or VIN, typically found on your dashboard or door jamb. Next, visit the official Uconnect software update website on your computer. Enter your VIN to check for available updates. If an update is found, download the file to your computer, then extract it and transfer it to an empty USB drive with at least 4 GB of storage. Now, take your USB drive to your Dodge Journey. Start the vehicle and ensure it remains running and parked throughout the entire process. Insert the USB drive into any available USB port. Your Uconnect screen should then display the current and new software versions. Confirm the update to begin installation. The process can take up to 15 to 20 minutes, so please be patient. It is crucial not to turn off your vehicle or remove the USB drive until the update is fully complete. The Uconnect system will reset itself once finished. After it powers back on, wait about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes for a confirmation window. Verify that the software version numbers now match, then you can safely remove the USB drive. Your Uconnect system is now updated and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.